took Mom's guitar.
No, I borrowed it. No, what is it? Diaz, Donna Sheridan, and HB, Headbanger.
Headbanger?
I bought her this. It cost me 10 quid plus my Johnny Rotten t-shirt. Your mother knew quite a rebel. I was studying in Paris when I met her. Hopped on a train, followed her to Greece. Quite spontaneously.
I can still recall our last summer. I still see it all. Walks along the Seine, laughing in the rain. Our last summer, memories that remain. We made our way along the river and we sat down in the grass by the Eiffel Tower.
I was so happy we had met. It was the age of no regret.
Oh yes, those crazy years, that was the time of the flower power.
But underneath we had a fear of flying,
of growing old, a fear of slowly dying.
we took a chance, like we were dancing our last dance.
I can still recall our last summer. I still see it all in the tourist jam round the Notre Dame. Our last summer, walking hand in hand, Paris restaurants. Our last summer, morning croissants, living for the day, worries far away. Our last summer, we could laugh and play.
And now you're working in a bank, a family man, a football fan, and your name is Harry.
How dull it seems.
Are you the hero of my dreams? Please, I have to go, but please come tomorrow, okay?
Absolutely. We'll be there. Promise.
Walks along the Seine, laughing in the rain. Our last summer, memories that remain.